Hello everyone. Today we are with our honorable guest Miss Poonam, and we are discussing on the topic like should uniforms made compulsory in the internships and placements. So Poonam, what are your viewpoints?
Hello everyone. Uniform is something which is very visible to everyone when it comes to your placement and interview activities. How you attire, it's very something that matters a lot. The way you attire, you present yourself, you open your mouth later, but when you present yourself, it would be your attire, and that will something which show that how well you present yourself in terms of your attire. So basically somewhere it will help to discover the professionalism, and also it will a lot more help to reduce the confusion about wearing an appropriate dress code or formal code.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be like how you represent yourself, and uniform somewhere provide that mode for you to how you represent yourself, and it is basically on a larger point to show that yes, the dress code shows the equality provided by the institution.
Exactly, it shows the equality between the student. We won't know that who is poor, who is from another background. It will promote equality. Yes, I agree that. So, what can be the advantages?
There are a lot of advantages. Firstly, it will promote equality, as we earlier mentioned.
Yeah.
Also, the second thing would be like confusion. We have lot of confusion,
Right.
that what we should wear, what should we not.
Yeah.
So somewhere it will reduce our stress about what we should wear, because somewhere it has provided that facility about being a formal code. So and also it will promote professionalism,
Yes.
because a formal dress code is something which provide how disciplined you are, how you manage yourself, and this is something which is the major advantage, I guess, for this.
Can there be some disadvantages also?
Yes, many time what happens is that major problem is cost, because sometimes we are not able to, some students or they are not able to get formal code, so that can be a problem, and cost is something which is very important thing. And the second thing is whenever we are in a professional setup, like talking about the company, we have our formal dress code. There is nothing called dress code, or you have your professional attire, you go there. So for preparing ourselves in terms of company perspective, it is very important to have that professional code, not having a formal dress code. So I think the major disadvantage is that in further respect, we go for the company. It has a professionalism, but there is nothing called dress code, or compulsory uniform.
Yeah, uniform.
You wear your formal attire, and that's it.
Yeah. So, according to you, what can be the best middle ground solution for it?
As per my opinion, the middle ground solution would be like enforcement should be stopped or restricted, rather than encouragement should be promoted. Like people should be more encouraged to wear uniform, rather than enforce that yeah, you should wear it. So that is the best solution that can be provided. And other thing is that for promoting your equality and other things, we earlier talked about it. So professionalism and discipline is something that you get from inside, and you know how to wear, where to wear what. So that differentiation is perfect if you could do on your own basis. So carry yourself well, and uniform doesn't matter if you have that formal dress code.
Exactly. So this was our today's session of Walk the Talk. We have enjoyed a lot with our guest Poonam. Thank you.
Thank you.